Welcome traders. Yesterday I took a trade on NZDUSD and NZDCHF. So this is what I did until I spotted this opportunity. As we all know, my system is moving average. So let's go to indicators and moving average. Tap. My first moving average is a 21 moving average. Again, moving averages I'm adding, and I'm using a 200 moving average, a 200 period moving average. Let me change the pixel to 3, and this time I use an exponential moving average. Done. Pop. Another moving average I'm using is a 200 period moving average, but this is a simple moving average. Let me change the color to lady. As you all know, that's pop. As you always know, my first confirmation has to be the boss 200 moving averages, boss exponential 200 period moving average, and simple period moving average has to be closed by a candlestick or a wick of a candlestick. As you can see, the market obeyed my first reason for me to enter the trade. So after that, my second confirmation is to ensure that my daily open line or a place where a market was open at a particular day also is broke by the candlestick or a wick of a candlestick. So what I do is I draw my daily market open. I'll go to my daily time frame as always. Remember, this trade I took yesterday, so I'll look on the candlestick for yesterday. So I take my line, tap, and yesterday the market opens this area here. Why was that area? Because this is today and this was yesterday. Since yesterday the market went downward, it was a bearish market. What I did is I started from the top, showing that the market went downward. So I hope you all know that. So after that, I'll go to my 1 hour time frame to see, did the market break my daily market open? Yes, the market broke my daily market open. But before it broke the market open, it first broke the 21 moving average. This is a 21 period moving average, which is a simple moving average. The market also broke that. So my first confirmation was my 200 period moving average, both simple and exponential, to be closed by candlestick or wick of the candlestick. It was confirmed. It also break a 21 period moving average, simple moving average. It was confirmed, and it also break my daily market open. So what happened is, when it break my daily market open, this candlestick, as you can see, it break my daily market open. Remember, the one which breaks the market open is not. Let's go back to. Remember, what breaks the market daily open is not a wick, it's a candlestick. As you can see, this candlestick here break. After the break of that candlestick, we wait for another candlestick. After waiting for another candlestick to close, if it closes above it, if it doesn't interact back to go to this daily open line and 21 moving average in this area here, if it's below this area after breaking, we are good to go for a sell. So from here I took my sell all the way down. It was a profit, but actually I decided to swing on this trade because I see there's a higher probability to move further down. We have more than almost 200 pips, 300 pips in this trade, so I'm keeping holding. And let me show you again what happened to NZDCHF. NZDCHF is here. Yes, and NZDCHF. Let me delete this. NZDCHF. NZDCHF. Okay, let me delete this. after deleting. Okay, as always, let's we go. My first confirmation, both 200 period moving averages, simple and exponential, were closed by the wick of a candlestick. Then the market has to close the daily market open, and it also has to close the 21 period simple moving average. So let me draw now the daily market open. Remember, it was yesterday when I took this trade. So after that, I go to my daily time frame. As always, go to my lines. I drew it from here, from there. And why did I take it from there? Because this is today's market, as you can see, and this was yesterday's market. Since yesterday's market was a bearish market, so I started from the top, showing that the market was going downward. After that, I'm just going to my 1 hour as always. This is my 1 hour. So where all my confirmations met, let me see. A 21 moving average was closed, as you can see here. A 200 period moving average, both simple and exponential, were closed. We see out here. And the daily market open was closed. We see down here. So after the close of this day market open, wait for another candlestick to close, where this candlestick closed below. But actually in this trade I decided to enter here earlier because I decided to take a risk, because I saw this trade was having a huge momentum. So from here I took my entry. Actually I took my entry somewhere here. It was on 30 minutes. It showed that the market has a huge momentum, so I started to take it from there and all the way down. But still I'm keeping holding on this trade. I believe it will go further down. So let's wait for what the market will do. Actually, that's how we trade. Have a blessed day.